back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you this my healthy
my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
I don't know if you guys are seeing it. It's cornbread, but it's a German bread. So yeah, then add in of this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. As of now, I am out. And don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you in my next video. Bye.
Yo.